This is about journaling in Language Arts 8. Periodically, you will get a journal assignment from me, and journal assignments are always to be written in paragraph form unless the assignment says otherwise. That's pretty rare. You can write one long paragraph or two standard ones. A paragraph should be 5 to 7 sentences, but for all of my journal prompts, I ask for 10 sentences, and I ask for 10 complete mature sentences. So right here in this section, I usually explain how to get your full points. If you get an A, you'll have 10 complete mature sentences, no spelling, grammar errors, punctuation's right, capitalization's right, that sort of thing. A B level, you might be missing a sentence or two. Everything else is fine. A C level, you have at least 7 sentences, maybe some other issues with spelling and grammar. D level, you have at least 6 sentences, lots of errors throughout. And if you write 5 or fewer sentences with a ton of errors, that is an E level. Journals are always to be independent. In class writing assignments, they are to be from your own thoughts, your own mind. We just went through a unit on plagiarism. If you copy and paste work from the internet, you will receive a 0 and potential disciplinary action for plagiarizing journal assignments. Okay, so you're just supposed to stay on your Google Doc, type out your 10 sentences, count them, spell check them, and make sure you submit or turn that in on Google Classroom. So the first page is always the information and the topic. The second page has the actual prompt. So Journal 1, describe and explain your ideal vacation if money were no issue. Where would you go? What would you want to see and do, with whom and why? Now, before I started the video, I typed up a response. I will cut that and paste that here, but I'm going to put my name and hour in there just for fun. Okay, so I went through and I typed a response to the vacation prompt about wanting to go up to the Upper Peninsula. So you can see if you have words that are underlined in colors, you're probably going to have some errors. Make sure your cursor is at the end, and then you're going to go up to Tools, Spelling and Grammar Check. Okay, and it's going to give you suggestions, like I spelled really incorrectly here on purpose. And it's telling you to change it to there, except that I spelled peninsula wrong. Change that. Mackinac can be spelled with a W or a C. Either one is fine. And this one should be said, not sad. That sort of thing. Recommend. So make sure that you go through and also count your periods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm short. I'd have to add a sentence there. Now make sure you're writing complete mature sentences. Complete mature sentences are at least 7 words in length, and they do not start with the same word in that sentence over and over. So you don't start with I, or this, that, the same way every single time. So vary up your sentences. Make sure they're a little bit lengthier than normal. Use some bigger words if you need to. Spell check that. It's always 10. If you have any questions, let me know.